as well. So I have found, yes.
See, I can do this. This is easy. I'm comfortable right now. I don't know what you're talking
You're
about.
comfy?
No. Not provoke any stiffness, pain, discomfort back here?
When you poked it, yeah.
When I poke it, okay, so poke, right? I haven't even done anything yet, and she's laughing. One.
Oh, feels like popcorn.
That is sounding like popcorn indeed.